let's talk about synonyms. Synonyms are different words that have a similar meaning. For example, how would you describe a town like this? Most candidates would use words like beautiful, nice, or pretty. These are very common words. A more advanced learner might use a less common synonym, such as picturesque. Picturesque means very pretty, like a painting. To get a very high band in the IELTS speaking test, it helps to use some less common synonyms in your answers. Now, you don't have to use them in every sentence, but it helps to use some vocabulary like this in the test.
A nice sweater is a suitable gift for somebody's birthday. I'm waiting for the right moment to move abroad. Too much traffic is detrimental to the environment. Overall, it was a dreadful holiday. I think smoking should be forbidden in public places. My grandparents live in a picturesque little village. The view of the mountains is breathtaking. I enjoy going for walks in scenic places. He is a gorgeous man. He is very good looking. I think I've made a substantial improvement in my English. Unfortunately, I find my job a bit dull. It was an uninspiring book. My job can be very hectic at times. Flats in my country are rather inexpensive these days. Using public transport is a low-cost way of getting around my town. Using the internet for research should be mandatory for all students.